Hello and welcome, and in this video I am going to be unboxing the Redgear Cloak gaming headset. So as you can see, it comes in this black box. On the side it says 3.5mm drivers. It has a soft ear cushion and it's obviously for gaming. At the back there's some specifications given. So its rated input power is 0.2 watts, maximum input power 0.3 watts. It has an impedance of 21 ohms roughly with a 15% give and take up and down. The sensitivity is 118 decibels, again with a plus minus 3 dB of range. The channel balance is 5 dB. It's same phase, okay. 50mm driver, 3.5mm audio jack, okay. Cable length 2 meters. Mic frequency range is 100 to 10 kilohertz. It's an omnidirectional mic, and there you have it. So the Redgear Cloak gaming headset. So let's just go ahead and unbox this. I apologize in the beginning, it's not 3.5mm driver, it's a 3.5mm audio jack. Okay, there are actually 50mm drivers inside this. And let's just go ahead and open it. Okay, so it opens up and the headphones come like this. Up, and there you have it. That's what the headphones come in. So soft cushions, 50mm drivers, 3.5mm audio jacks, and there's also a USB cable. Okay, and this is the omnidirectional mic that it has, and there's a metal support on top, and there you have it. So there you are, folks. That was the unboxing of the Redgear Cloak gaming headset. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.